280 kilometers from Poznan. And wow, look at surround. I really enjoying the, you know, the long hour drive with the big road, and I'll show you around how it is actually how to travel from Poznan and to Berlin. So yeah, honey, are you okay?
Yeah. I'm okay. I'm just chilling, you know. Like really now she really loves enjoying making the videos, so I let her film. I focus driving, enjoying, you know, like stuff like this one. Show the road. It's actually the road going from Poznan to Berlin. All the time straight and no traffic. That's the most important thing. 300 kilometers in 3 hours. And you can do it faster if you're speeding more. But you're gonna drive normally, alright?
Right, so we stop in the petrol station. Actually, you know, Damian refilled the petrol, and this is how it is. It's totally different, right? In Bali, there is always one guy who serve you petrol, but here only self-service. I think that we also need to stop for a small snack here. So yeah, let's see. Wow. So I stop in the toilet. I'll show you how is the toilet actually inside. Very clean and fresh smell. So we decided to have a stop and buy one sapi kangka. I'm already hungry, and this is how it looks. The food in the petrol station and the price. So nice, and that's actually the prices and how it is around what they sell. They also sell cabanos, so yum, and coffee. And here there are so many, you know, sort of drinks and hello. And juice, so cheap lah. And I would like to buy something. This one, my favorite one, bacon. And that's all of sort of the drink that you can find in the petrol station. Right, what do you have, honey?
Sapi kangka.
Oh, sapi kangka is kind of the bread with the, it looks like pizza, no?
Kind of like pizza, but it's like a Polish quick snack, like a hot dog or something.
Right.
Kind of street food.
This is mine. How much it costs?
11 zloty. Like $3 maybe.
Okay, right. Smacznego, kochanie.
Smacznego.
This is so huge food for me. Polish food is so huge portion. So this is how you eat it. I record myself. It's like small pizza with the pepperoni on the top, like this. So nice. I can't help myself eating this. The cheese is melted. How good. Right, so after we've got sapi kangka, Coke, we bought this kind of chocolate. This one, only 8 zloty. Wow, what a big truck!
Yeah, big traffic as well.
Is it Django traffic here?
No, you see there's the road construction just between the border. The border between Poland and Germany is exactly on the middle of the Odra river, and there's some construction ongoing, and so many trucks here, especially trucks, I don't know. Or maybe they're doing some control of the trucks as well on the border, I have no idea. Normally it's not like that. Normally we're supposed to be already in Berlin, because you just go and you don't even know where is the border, because it's obviously Schengen and everything, so it's just the sign, welcome to Germany and goodbye Poland, and vice versa when you come back. Maybe on the way we can feel like that, but now it's like this one. It was 20 years ago like this one. First time actually I'm stuck in the border again.
Right.
So this is already the border checkpoint, is Schengen, so we're not checking in. There are Polish flag, German and European. And now staying focus on the road, because we're gonna cross the river, and then somewhere gonna be sign of the border. Actually, all right, to make it clear, we are entering the bridge. there will be the Odra river soon. Unfortunately, there is a lot of trucks for no reason. I don't know really exactly why, but overall there will be the river, and just literally on the middle there is the border between Poland and Germany. All right, here you go. That's the river. Maybe some you can face on the other side, please. Like this one, you see, this is the one bridge. This is the border between Poland and Germany. Now focus on the road, please, so you can show to the people, because somewhere here there will be the sign. This one, actually, I think the sign was on the other side, but we are already in Germany. Basically, you didn't notice when.
Right.
We are already in Germany in general. I think the sign was on the other side of the road, but because so many trucks, I just missed it. But maybe on the way tomorrow from Germany to Poland, we're gonna show you. Either way, we are already in Germany, and there will be the another checkpoint from German side. I'm not sure if they're gonna checking or not, but it's Schengen and they shouldn't check it us on. But overall, you never know. But maybe they're checking the trucks actually. I'm not sure, but the traffic is crazy. The mostly trucks actually queuing, because the cars are just like mostly gone. All right, actually we are seeing the sign Bundesrepublik Deutschland. So not sure what does it mean, Bundes, but Republik Deutschland actually. Either way, we are entering Germany officially. We are in Germany right here, right now. And actually the traffic jam is because there is seriously actually the traffic roads, the traffic road works, but on German side, not on the Polish side. So I could say entering to Germany as officially we have a better highways than Germany. I'm so sorry, but actually the traffic is because of German side. Either way, we drive also faster in Poland because 140 and here's 130 actually. Oh my god. But sometimes they are the highways in Germany without the limits, okay? So should be fine. Yeah. After that, outside looks same. There's no difference between Poland and Germany. Same woods, same everything. But we are in Germany right now. So welcome to Germany, Sayang. You didn't even show the passport to me.
Why is so slow, kochanie?
I don't know, but you see the controller or something. Maybe they checking something and somebody, I don't know. Yeah, a lot of new things happening in the border because the conflict between in Ukraine and the political thingies regarding the purchase of the products from Ukraine and other stuff. So maybe they checking the trucks. But in Germany already, I'm not sure, really don't know. So far it's just the traffic because of something.
And honey, let's enjoy the sunshine. Look, that's beautiful
Sunshine is beautiful. In general, it's 27 degree. It's generally 27 degree already. Can you imagine that? It's just beginning of April. It's so hot.
And oh, look at this one.
There is some checkpoint.
I think so. That's the
Right.
police.
There is some checkpoint. Yeah, there is the checkpoint. Polizei. That's already German side.
Nice. This is really first world country, the same like Poland, right?
All Europe is like this one. More or like the landscape is changing only, but there is nice, really nice actually.
Hey, remember your speed limit, okay?
Yeah, it's slower here. No, where is the highway where is no speed limit actually?
Right.
But so many the thingy, the windmills now in the background.
So when is the last time you come to Germany, maybe?
Last time I came to Germany in 2010. It's been like 14 years ago.
Right.
Also by car actually. But I need to buy the special sticker, so we have to find a special place. So because we are going to Berlin, to the city center, I have to buy the special sticker like this one. You can buy in Dekra. This is about 20 kilometers from the border, already in Germany. It's cost you 10 euros, but if you buy in Poland, this will be double because they are reselling it, obviously. So you buy this one and you have to put somewhere on the window. I'm not sure, here or there, doesn't really matter. I think so, but you have to have it. If you don't have the sticker for 10 euros, you're gonna pay 100 euro fine, because there is green zones in the major cities in Germany already since 2009 or something. Last time I was in Germany in 2010, before, you know, leaving, before I started to living overseas. So it's been so many years. So for me, it's like I come back to Germany after 14 years. So it's really new experience. But this one also very remember. This is very important. DEKRA. This is like a diagnostic center in general, but a lot of cars dealerships around. Okay, I'll put this on the screen and see you in Berlin. But by the way, saying, I don't know if you realize, you just eat your krupuk. Bacon krupuk. You get stressed? Yeah, I don't know if you realize, but we are already in Germany. We crossed the border. You didn't even realize actually when we just the signs, right?
Yeah, but the traffic is just like Django traffic.
Yeah, because they just having control in German border for no reason. I don't know what and who they are checking out. It's like, you know, normally we're supposed to be in Berlin already, but it's on German side, not on Polish, alright? On the way return we should be quicker anyways, alright. 100 kilometers, actually exactly from the border of Poland, nearby the Frankfurt an Oder, or Świecko on Polish side. It's exactly 100 kilometers to city center of Berlin, because we are staying in the city center of Berlin in Novotel. So it's exactly 100 kilometers, so it's really not that far. And from Poznań to Berlin is actually 280 kilometers. It's 50 kilometers closer than going to Warsaw, actually. That's so interesting. That's so interesting. Okay, see you in Berlin.
Right here we are in Berlin Centrum. In half hour we will arrive.
We are actually nearby the Berlin airport.
Right.
So that's the junction. Somewhere here is the airport. Airport is on my side, actually, over there. So this is the main airport in Berlin. It's actually here. So this is like actually. So some people traveling from Poznań, going somewhere like to Bali, perhaps. Many people going actually from Berlin, because you can find different airlines flying actually, like a Scoot, perhaps, if you would like to have a budget one, but also you can go by different one. It's just different connection from the Berlin. It's closer actually from Poznań to Berlin than Poznań to Warsaw, like I said, that's why.
Kochanie, what is this?
This is tunnel. So cool, huh?
I never drive under the tunnel in my life.
Yeah, small tunnels in Singapore only. But it's cool, huh?
Yeah.
No.
So at night time still light, right?
Yeah, there's no difference actually day or night, except as there will be no light when you leave at the end of the tunnel.
Ooh.
Wow, cool, yeah?
Right. Hey, wait, one thing. Here the taxi is white
Creamy
car, right?
color, creamy color, yeah.
Creamy color.
W Budyniu.
Ah.
Yeah, they all have the same colors here, yeah? That's true, like a creamy color. And so many graffiti,
Right.
so many speed limits here actually.
Right.
There is only piece of the highway where there was no speed limit outside the border, but this is already the Berlin ring, so we are actually entering the Berlin already. This is like a downtown of Berlin. So yeah.
So we can see the map is actually next to it is the canal. Wow. Interesting.
Right.
Even though there are many cars, but there's still like, you know, the traffic is under control.
Under control.
We get into the tunnel again because I think this is my first time driving in the tunnel. So yeah, I'll record little bit more in the tunnel. Look at this big bus. Quite long tunnel, huh?
Huh.
Why they have to build tunnel here?
I don't know. Probably the green thing on the top. I don't know.
Right. But very cool, yeah?
Low emission zone ahead. Make sure you have the required permit to proceed.
See, I got the warning about the low emission zone ahead. Berlin environmental zone. This is what I was talking previously about, the green sticker. We are just entering just behind the tunnel.
Oh, so this is why you have to have the sticker, otherwise you get fined
Yeah.
100 euro.
I mean, if they catch you, but if we are going and we're gonna park somewhere, it's made to be a control. So better
I
have it
see.
than cry.
Right.
The tunnel is very long, huh?
Right, and they have 3 lines in the tunnel.
Cool. With 80 speed limit, not bad, not bad.
Bali has a tunnel actually close by the airport. It's just like it's very
It's not the
short.
tunnel.
It's not a tunnel.
It's just the viaduct. But
Right.
in Singapore they have a tunnels.
I see.
But only nearby the airport.
So many graffitis, right?
Right. That's the thing actually.
Or this 80 is the speed limit, huh? Don't overspeed, huh?
No.
They will send a ticket home then.
That was driving so slow in Berlin. Slowest trucks.
Hey, look what they're doing there.
There's a lot of works on roads in Berlin. That's what I noticed. That's for sure. That's why it's taking actually pretty more time than expected at the beginning. But it's alright.
What sort of car is that? So many. I think there's so many factory here, yeah?
I think we are going from the industrial zone actually.
I see.
Industrial area.
Right.
But 7 kilometers to the center, so soon will be the city center.
Okay, so on the right side is actually the airport.
The city airport.
Oh, the city airport.
Right.
Oh, it's different.
Yeah, it's the smaller airport.
I see. Is that the housing complex, like the apartment maybe?
Seems like.
Yeah, so I think that for the taxi here, really like the color, you can easy
Yeah,
eye-catching the
That's
white
why I'm
one.
saying like a Mercedes budyniu in Polish language. We will joke sometimes with my friend because they are like a budyn, like a like a dessert color, like a creamy color.
Oh,
of the taxi.
pudding.
Yeah, budyn like custard.
Oh, you see? You see?
But long time ago, the mostly Mercedes drives in Germany. Now we have any cars.
Right, and on the right side is the railway.
But did you notice as everywhere is the graffiti?
Dark.
Like every single wall is over the graffiti. Well, Berlin is old, but have a lot of graffiti, that's for sure. But let's see how's the city center.
Yep.
We just arrived to Berlin and already we can see the vibes like in Bali. The beggars on the street, the plastic, the beer cans on the front. It's a little bit
Lane
different.
closed ahead on Leipziger Strasse in 5.2 kilometers.
Alright, the line is close. You see, it's a little bit
What
different.
is he doing?
Begging for money, as you can see. Little bit different than in Poznan. You will not find in Poland like this.
Yeah, it's likely. Right.
Hey!
It's Berlin, right?
Welcome to Berlin.
And actually the speed limit here is 50.
Same like in everywhere in Europe actually.
What is it on the
Airport.
right? Oh yes, this is the airport.
City airport. I don't know what's the name.
Alright. So we are heading to the hotel.
We are already in the central, nearly central Berlin. Actually, this is already the green zone, so it's the city center of Berlin.
Right.
We have some green trees, so makes sense.
Right.
In simple words, if you have a car older than 2006 year, most likely you will have a difficulties to get a sticker, but you have to read more exactly the rule. And yeah, this is it. Let's see how the main streets look like.
This is the
Ooh.
apartment, right?
How many murals is this? How many
It's not
graffiti?
mural, it's
Graffiti.
graffiti.
Alright, Platz der Louvbrücke, something like that. That's the metro system, I think. and we are entering definitely the city center. It's just 3 kilometers to the Berlin Mitte, wherever. We stay in Novotel. Let's see. Overall, that's how does it look like here in Berlin.
But the traffic is more congested than in Poznan. Look on the left.
But also have to take consideration that Berlin is the capital city of Germany, right? So I think it's generally the biggest city in Germany. So, but that's how does it look like. Nice tree actually, the purple. The spring is coming, and I think this is already definitely city center. More bicycles, apotheke. Apotheke. You see, apotheke is like nearly like in Indonesian language, huh?
Yeah. And look at this. This is apartment, right?
Right, I guess.
Oh, there is a Max here.
Look, my Max, right?
Baby.
Right.
Oh, look at the flowers.
Flower is nice, nice tree.
Yeah.
The tree is nice. No, I cannot because the sound of the wind.
Okay.
The apotheke is like this one, right?
I saw it.
Welcome to the Berlin city center. Actually, in Berlin, in the city, it's been very long time when I was in the city center. At the airport, not so long ago, but in the city, yeah, cool.
So many cars here.
Correct.
Another creamy car.
Creamy taxi.
Beautiful, nice color. The trees. So many graffitis. Right.
Right.
See, so many graffitis.
Correct.
See, even on the left side, the traffic, I think is more, congested. Look on the left side, the building. Right.
I can see the balloon at the front of us. I don't know if you can see on the camera. Like this one.
Right. Oh, what sort of car is this?
That's the truck.
Why there are so many BMWs? So BMWs is German car, right?
Right.
I see.
From
Oh, look at the train.
metro.
I see.
BMW
Apartment.
is from the Monachium, from the Munich
Another
graffiti.
truck.
In Berlin, they like graffitis, I guess.
Maybe that's their art. So this is the city center, right? The park. The thing is that the park here, there are so many graffitis. Oh, look at that church. See, every single corner is graffiti. Maybe this is the art.
Yeah, maybe that's the local art, huh? Oh, right, yeah. That's the some canal here.
Right.
Right.
Okay. So we are heading to a hotel.
Right. We are actually 1.5 kilometers from Novotel.
Okay.
Generally, city center of Berlin overall, more or less, or something is here. Is the Polizei here, because that's how you call it. And there is the Berlin Tower in the front, which is the symbol of Berlin, something like KL Tower in Kuala Lumpur, but it's similar though. Road closure, of course, because something is going on. Really a lot of international people in Berlin, but we will show you that.
But look at on the left, so many rubbish. I mean, like, it's not as clean as Poznan, what I see. And graffiti. Oops.
Right. That's the thing as well. Some apartments, some buildings. Well, overall, first look of Berlin, very raw, without much editing. This is what we see, this is what we're showing you. And some modern buildings, some old buildings, some small street. A lot of construction everywhere. Berlin Tower, Mercedes driving. Okay, Mercedes will drive because it's Berlin, obviously. It's Germany, so Mercedes BMWs will be so popular here. Old and new. But the numbers of graffitis on every building, actually, right?
Yes. This is the art.
Art of Berlin. Right, people cycling, that's cool. Berlin Tower in the background. We are nearby our hotel, actually. This is city center, Zentrum of Berlin. Cool. The Berlin Tower looks good, right? That's how does it look.
Very nice weather
What sort
today.
of flags is this? Flags. People driving faster than me. You see, I'm driving so with rules here.
You will follow the rule, huh?
Yeah, better follow the rule rather than pay the German fines. We are in the direction of Alexanderplatz and Pranzerberg. I don't know what does it really mean. However, it's the traffic jam. We stuck in the junction. That's not so really good though. But
Maybe that's your Coca-Cola favorite
right,
drinks.
correct.
This is Canggu traffic, huh?
Yeah. This is like a big traffic. I don't know why it's so much traffic here, right? But that's how does it work. Either way, we are nearby hotel. No, hotel is in the background. I can see already.
Right.
And the Spiltermarkt is I think the metro station, like this. And there's some restaurants, there's some walking streets, some canal. I wanna see tomorrow I wanna see the Checkpoint Charlie and Berlin Wall. Have to go.
Right. Is it in the front? Is the
What?
what is it called? Traffic lights? No.
It's just something is red. Some construction.
Yeah. Alright, so we almost arrived in the hotel. That's the Novotel where we're gonna stay for one night.
Right. Our hotel, Novotel, Berlin Mitte. Not sure what does it mean, but it's generally over here.
Right.
So this is what it is here. And the entrance is here. Like this one. I don't know where we're gonna park. It's 20 euros per 24 hours parking. But this is the entrance, and the parking lot must be somewhere. First time I'm in this hotel though. Oh, here we go. This is the entrance. Novotel Berlin Mitte, willkommen, welcome. Like this.
Right. Okay. Let's go to the parking zone. Right, so we just arrived in the Novotel in Berlin, and here is the lobby. Damian check in. We will show you the room tour. Right, here is our room for one night, and this is the bathroom. Right. Okay. Quick review wardrobe, and here it is with the city view like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So after we're supposed to be arrived here, you know,
we're supposed to arrive in 2 hours 45 minutes, but we drove almost 4 hours because of this border control thing. I don't know, I don't know what's going on, but it was the big traffic jam. After that, we are in Berlin. We came here, and tomorrow will be another video for sightseeing the Berlin city center. A very exciting video tomorrow coming. However, today was also very exciting though.
Right, so I will have a meeting today at 7. I will have a dinner actually with all of my Balinese friends. It has been a long time I didn't meet them. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you.
Bye.